If you are looking for a side hustle that requires no prior experience, low investment, and also a very good potential of you making a lot of money, then you just stumbled on the perfect video. Ensure you watch every aspect of this video as I walk you through the step by step of making at least 50,000 naira every week without having capital or inventory, while leveraging on the power of dropshipping. But before we get into all of that, I would appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. You can also do better by just smashing the subscription button. This will encourage me more to do more of this kind of video. Without wasting much of our time, kindly buckle up, get a pen and a paper, and let's dive in. I would like to start by giving you a heads up about what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is basically a business model in which you are allowed to sell anything online without having capital or without you having any inventory of the product. All you have to do is to just sell the product that you just don't have. That's right, my friend. You don't have to worry about buying or shipping a product or storing a product or handling returns. Instead, you have to partner with a supplier who will then handle all of that stress for you by helping you to store the product, shipping it to the customer, and even paying you your profit after that. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Come to think of it, you gotta be the middleman making money from the difference between the wholesale price and also the retail price. By so doing, you are making a lot of money without having to see the product you are selling or even touching the product. It's just like having a virtual store which keeps operating 24/7 without you having to be there. Even while you sleep, your product is being shipped. While you sleep, your product is being sold. While you sleep, your product is being attended to. How cool is that? Now you are wondering why you should start a dropshipping business. You're currently asking yourself, will this work for me? This time around, I wouldn't tell you to say yes or no. However, before you start giving yourself an answer, I need you to take note of certain benefits. Those benefits are the ones that will now determine whether this is for you or not. First of all, you need to consider the risk level, since you won't have to be needing a starting capital or having to invest in any kind of inventory. The risk of starting a dropshipping business is significantly low compared to other forms of businesses. Then you need to consider the basic gadget you'll be needing to kickstart your dropshipping journey. This is your phone, your laptop, and even an active internet. This means that you don't have to break the bank to start your dropshipping journey. What I love most about dropshipping is the fact that you can run this business anywhere in the world. This is a perfect business for anyone that likes doing business while traveling or someone that wants to do business while working at home. Last thing you need to think about is the huge potential that awaits you, because when it comes to dropshipping, the sky is your limit. As you grow your store and start making money, there are many opportunities and other channels in which you can still step up your game and make as much as even the person that is supplying you the goods. Now that you know the benefit of starting a dropshipping business, you might be thinking that, okay, how do I get started? How do I get a reliable supplier? Don't worry, I got something for you. It is essential for you to know that choosing the right supplier is crucial to your business for you to survive in the dropshipping world, because that supplier is going to handle all your shipping, delivery, and even to remit the money to you. So if you don't get the right supplier, this can actually make your dropshipping business nosedive, and by the end of the day, you are no longer into business. You want to partner with a supplier who have good reputation, high quality product, and fast delivery service. Well, if you are outside Nigeria, I got a good news for you. That is AliExpress. You can actually partner with AliExpress or Amazon or Obalo or wholesale to be. These platforms offer very good dropshipping services. You can actually get a very good supplier there. Ensure that you go through the list of the suppliers and their ratings and the way they perform. Then you will know the perfect supplier. Make sure you don't fall into scam, because there are scammers out there. So be careful when dealing with these people. However, if you are in Nigeria, then I have got a very good news for you. If you are in Nigeria and you are interested in selling jewelries or wristwatches, the best supplier I can recommend for you right now is the LCD Jewelries. This supplier deal on all kind of non-tarnished jewelries and accessories such as gold replica, zirconia, and also wristwatches. It also have different kind of wristwatches for male and female, and also some jewelries too for unisex. So whichever you are interested in, come on, go for it. Their social media handle is displayed right on the screen, and I will also be adding that in the description below. Come on, trust me, you don't want to be stuck with a supplier that wouldn't deliver what they promised. My pro tip for you today is to avoid any kind of thing that can actually kick you out of business. There are so many things that many people overlook, and by the end of the day, those are the things that make them go bankrupt. As a result of that, I've actually packaged a video that will definitely guide you through that step by step. The video just appeared next to me right now. You need to watch the video. See you on the other side.